the time and now it's too late. I hate to feel it.
Right now it's 3:35 in the morning. I'm here at BWI Baltimore Washington International Airport trying to catch a flight to not San Francisco, actually LA, which depart at 6:30 in the morning. After that, I'm going to take a flight from LA to Tokyo. Yes, in Tokyo again, but that's not the final destination. The final destination actually is from Tokyo to Sapporo, Hokkaido. Yep, it's going to be a long trip, 24 hours or maybe more. So I have a pretty tight connecting flight once I get to Tokyo. I may miss that flight, honestly. It really depends on how fast I can get through the security or the custom clearance. Because I have to get out first and then get back in to take a domestic flight. So, but right now I'm just waiting here to check in and check my luggage. The first leg is United, and then will be ANA. Right? It's already a line, surprisingly. So we will see.
I hate to feel ignored. I need someone to care for me forever, to make me feel secure when we're together. I wanna feel adored.
I got this Priority Pass membership from the American Express Platinum credit card, so that's pretty good. At least I have a very comfy space to sit at, and I have a dedicated charging port for me to use, and there's some food. They just open. Wait, what? This is 4:35. If I do choose to eat something, there's something to eat. There's coffee, drinks, and even a alcohol bar open at 6. But that wouldn't be for me because I'll be boarding up around 5:50. So I have about an hour to kill here.
So now I'm gonna end this thing now. And don't you make it harder than it is. Just stop.
So landed here in LA International Airport. Local time right now is 8. Oh, it's 9 o'clock now already. Anyway, so it's a little cloudy here. Didn't have the best weather, but right now I'm going to just have to walk some distance from this domestic terminal to the international terminal. Just have to follow the sign. So right now I just have a backpack with all kinds of electronics and a personal sling bag. Anyway, looks like it's gonna be a little while of a walk. Say that the walk is quite significant, going from domestic terminal to the international one. Been walking for 15 minutes now and still not there, and there's more. 20 minutes in, I'm finally seeing the signs. I think we're on the final stretch here. instead of walking straight to the gate, I decided to grab a quick bite at the American Express Centurion Lounge at LAX. Even though it's lunchtime for me, but it's breakfast time in LA, so breakfast is served like a toast. Avocado vegan toast.
新しい搭乗前時刻は午後12時40分午後12時40分頃の予定です。ご迷惑をおかけいたしますことをお詫び申し上げます。
The thing I worried the most happened. The where should I start? Well, there was a lot of people getting through customs, and it took too long, and I missed my connecting flight from Narita to Sapporo, New Chitose Airport. The ANA did, find me another one that's the same time tomorrow. So I ended up what I am going to have to find my night here in Tokyo. It's totally not planned. So I had to find a place to stay for the night, and I'm going to look for the JR line to get into the town. It's a mess. It's not planned, but it is what it is at this point. So I have to find the right train. All right. Wow, so I've checked in to this Capsule hotel. I've never stayed in one, heard about it for forever. This is definitely not for someone that is claustrophobic. I said it's like no smoking, but the ventilation somehow still had that, like a little bit of cigarette scent. Well, at least I'm tired. I think I can sleep. But wow, what an adventure, right? Missing a plane. Now that I'm trying to save a few bucks. This is 3,000 yen, and I booked it through Agoda, the website, and they said they're gonna pay me back for about 400 yen or so. So it's roughly about $15-16 US dollars for this night. I think it's fine. The money that I saved, I'm just gonna go out and eat something. This is right in the heart of Ueno, just right out of the Ueno JR station, and you just walk through a little bit of the Ameyoko, the famous spot in Ueno, and then you get to this Capsule hotel. They call it hostel, right? Hostel. Anyhow, it is a place to spend the night. I'm just gonna rest a little bit, use the bathroom, and then I'm going to head out and find some food. It's almost 1 in the morning. I'm gonna set an alarm for 8. I don't know what time I'm gonna wake up. I don't even know. I'm gonna fall asleep easily anyway. Alright. That's it. Good night. After Akihabara, we stopped by the Shibuya, and then now it's Shinjuku, and let's see how many more stops we can catch before it's time to catch my ride train back to the Narita airport. Alright, let's head to the next one.